Starting your Shopify e-commerce journey? This video will help you sidestep common pitfalls. I'm Jake from Business Name Generator, and today we're diving into what not to do when opening a Shopify store. Let's get started. Your store's name is your brand's first impression. Avoid names that are hard to spell or a little too generic. Remember, uniqueness and memorability are key. Watch our video on how to trademark your business name to keep other businesses from stealing it. And to find the perfect name, leverage our AI-powered business name generator. Our name generator can help you craft the perfect name, secure the domain, and design a professional logo all in one convenient location. Shopify's 3-day free trial is a golden opportunity to test the platform's features. You wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a test drive. So why would you rush your business into a paid plan on a platform without at least a shallow dive into its features, especially the dashboard? Uploading blurry images supported by one-line descriptions just isn't enough in today's e-commerce world. Customers want to see high-quality visuals, compelling descriptions, and most importantly, accurate pricing. Your products are the stars of your store, so let them shine. Discounts can boost sales, but they need to be strategic. Don't undermine your profits by offering too many or oversized discounts at launch. You and your product have value. Many Shopify beginners get their site off the ground without a clear logistics plan in place. This can really hurt your reputation and your wallet. Be sure to define clear shipping zones, rates, and methods. Optimize your packaging for cost, branding, and aesthetics. Get feedback from your customers to ensure that your shipping setup aligns with their expectations and your business model. And most importantly, always offer some kind of package tracking. Starting a Shopify store is an exciting venture, so avoid these mistakes to save yourself some time and money. And for more e-commerce tips, subscribe to the BNG channel and give this video a like and a share if you like what you saw. See you next time.